और हम लोग सीधा चैंपियनशिप में चले जाते हैं। बट उससे आप स्पोर्ट बढ़ा नहीं सकते किसी भी कंट्री में। उसके लिए आपको कोचेस चाहिए, उनके लिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए, एंड आपको उसके लिए सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए ताकि स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस रिकग्नाइज करें कि ये स्पोर्ट अच्छा स्पोर्ट है और इसके लिए आपको क्रेडिट मिले। इस चीज़ के लिए हमें कोविड के बाद
See you here as well as you, madam, also. What is the new initiative you have taken in India? Just elaborate all this.
Well, the new initiative, as we said, it's the main thing that it made a push, seeing the potential and the interest of the youth, of the coaches, of the people who have even a gymnastic background, that we need to create a structured federation that will allow India to not only be recognized worldwide, but nationwide. They'll be able to develop, support, entertain the kids, entertain the communities, and make sure that everybody knows about this discipline and starts to participate in it in every way possible, because it doesn't only have sport, I would say, sport opportunities, it has business opportunities, it has development and career opportunities. Therefore, there is a lot of things that it can bring by just becoming part of the Indian network and Indian environment.
As you are the president of this academy, so how do you handle each and everything, and how does the team support you in this?
Well, I wish I was the president of this academy. I'm just part of the presidium of the World Federation. But to be honest, because any sports federation, it's a question of passion, it's a question of giving your time and volunteering to promote something that is a quality not only for everyday's life of the youth but also of the adults. I think from that perspective, we're all same-minded. If you look at all of us, we're here for the sport, we're here for teaching new generation what is possible and what they can do, and to outperform themselves and give them the impulse that they need to become those champions that we would like to know and do it tomorrow.
All the best for 8 May. Yeah.
Under your leadership, how do you see the Indian guys, Indian kids that will do the best and better?
See, it's best not to talk about my leadership, but just my passion for the sport.
Wow.
Because leadership can only be judged by what I create at the end of the day, you know. But the passion comes very live because I have been a dancer all my life, and I realized कि इस करियर में इज्जत नहीं मिलती उस लेवल की जिस लेवल पे एक IAS ऑफिसर को मिलेगी
Exactly.
या एक एजुकेशन ड्रिवन करियर को मिलती है। एंड आई रिमेंबर जब तक मेरा नाम नहीं बना था तब तक लोग यही बोलते थे डांस तो करते हो और क्या, यू नो। सो ये माइंडसेट को चेंज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज जितना एनर्जी इस मूवमेंट में, इस एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में जाता है उतना कहीं और नहीं जाता। और अगर उसको रुतबा मिल जाए स्पोर्ट्स का, you know, I think this was the time to launch something in India जहाँ पे dancing, the fun element and the sport element becomes one. Yeah.
And the name, very catchy name, rock and roll. So it's really a catchy name
And
for
it's not the Javed Jafri wala rock and roll. It is real rock and roll.
real rock and
You
roll.
come to the arena
Uh-huh.
on Friday, because you will see
how
the
do you
difference.
see the
Exactly.
talent in this kid and that kid?
How do you search? How do you
I
find?
search? I think we are divinely guided and we are getting what we want. It is just we
Okay.
keep doing our efforts, we keep finding contacts.
You just catch the good talent
I think
in.
we know that athletic system in India is slightly weak, but we have a lot of talent. We have a gymnast community, we
Yeah.
have a, artistic community, we have aerobics community. अब इन सबको कुछ नया देने का वक्त है.
Wow.
You know, and we are ready for it.
And I
Very
do believe
nice.
one calls the other one, because the fact that we have those who are practicing in front of us, those who are seeing, those who are noticing, those who are reading,
Yeah.
they will be curious. And
Curious to know more
curiosity
about.
who's developing it. And
Yeah.
once you come in and you like, it's not a question you just like, you love, and you continue. And that's how it actually expands.
And
Wow.
मेरा इंटेंशन अगर आप पूछोगे इसको लाने का क्या है, मैं चाहती हूँ ना छोटे से छोटा बच्चा डांस क्लास जरूर जाता है,
जाए।
स्पोर्ट्स में जाना
तो
चाहिए।
इसमें चाइना भी तो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी,
तो चाइना की बच्चे भी तो बहुत जबरदस्त
मैं
मतलब
कह रही हूँ आप रशिया को देख लो, आप चाइना को देख लो, हमारे पास बहुत कुछ इंस्पायर होने के
Very
लिए। You know,
much
but the best
students-
part is कि जो चीज़
Yeah.
हमारे कल्चर में बड़ी आसानी से आती है होता है डांस, तो इसको भी आता है।
Countries involved in this? Countries involved in this?
कजाकिस्तान, किर्गिस्तान, उज़्बेकिस्तान,
Yes,
अफगानिस्तान,
countries.
मंगोलिया, वियतनाम। I have sent so many invitations by now that I think I can just say it.
Wow, wow, wow. Superb, superb.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.